Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your babe Grumpy TV. Today I'm cooking Afang soup, river state people soup. So come along, let's do this together. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Is your babe Drum Baby TV. Today I'm going to be cooking Afang soup. It is Calabar soup. This is my first time, so I'm going to try it and see if I'll get. So already my meat is already washed and cooked with my dry fish. So this is the pot I'm going to be using right now. As you can see, the pot is already well washed, so I'm going to light the fire right now. Let's start cooking this our Afang soup. So right now guys, I'm going to be adding my palm oil. So right now I'm going to be adding my crayfish and my pepper. You can see I didn't add onions because why I not add the onions to fry it, it will change the taste, so it depends. So now this is my water leaf. Is already washed and chopped, it's sliced already and is washed, so I'm going to be adding it, but to just fry it a little. Why I'm frying this water leaf, you know that water leaf is to form much water, so I just have to just fry it just a little. As you can see right now is okay by me. So what I will be adding, I have to add my meat and water. It's okay, see it. Let me add my meat and water. So guys, it depends how you want it. So you have to be careful that you will not add much water to it and spoil the soup. So I'm going to use only the meat water. Then if it's not enough, then I can add normal water to it. So when I add, I have to check it and see how it comes, the results, before I can add any other more water to it. Right now I'm going to cover it a little. Let's see. Wow. Now I'll be adding my periwinkle seeds. Then in anything you want, even if it's snail, but I'll be using periwinkle. Make sure that you wash it very well. You know, there's the head, there's all those this thing I don't want. Yes, we need to make sure that you wash it. So right now I'll be adding my periwinkle to it and leave it for it to boil a little before I'll be adding my last but not the least. That is my okazi leaf. This is it right now. I've added my grounded okazi dry one. This is dry one. I have to blend it with my machine because I don't have mortar to pan the fresh ones. So this is the dry ones which I blend with the machine. So I'll be adding it right now. See how thick it is. If you still want to add water, everything depends on you, but I love it this way. Just love it this way. So the last but not the least, you have to test it to know that is the salt and the maggi that you put inside the meat. If it's okay, if it's not, you can add salt and maggi. So I'm going to test it and see how it looks like. How it tastes, if the maggi and the salt is okay. So right now I'm adding just a little maggi, my seasoning, then a little salt also. Then this is my salt, just little. Then I have to turn it and test how my Afang soup tastes. If it really tastes nice, guys, please don't mind my voice. My voice, I have not been feeling fine for so long, so I have this soft throat. So my soup is ready. Hi my beautiful people, this is my Afang soup, Calabar people soup. So this is my first time of trying this soup. As you can see, it's ready. So if you want to see how I make this soup, go to my YouTube channel and see the full video there at Drum Baby TV. Yeah, see it. Ooh. This is my Afang soup.